Ever get hit with hiccups at the worst possible moment? Here's why they happen and how to shut them down fast. Let's break down what's really going on when you hiccup, and the weird tricks that actually work to stop them. Hiccups start when your diaphragm spasms and makes you suck in air. Eating too fast, spicy food, or even excitement can set them off. Most hiccups go away on their own, but you can try holding your breath or sipping cold water, eating a spoonful of sugar or peanut butter, breathing into a paper bag or pulling your tongue, gargling ice water or biting a lemon. But what's the strangest hiccup cure people actually swear by?